Alright, what's going on, guys? T-Torres back here for another video. As you can tell by the title of this video, we are going to be reviewing the AWE Track Edition exhaust. As you can see, I finally got the tips installed. They look absolutely fantastic. So, with that being said, I got about, I'd say, a couple hundred miles on the car of driving with the new exhaust setup. And yes, of course, there is some drone. I'm going to show you guys that in this video. We're going to do some drive-bys, some flybys. And then I'm going to give you guys a POV of driving the car so you can kind of get a real-life perception of what the exhaust sounds like from the driver's seat. And yeah, so let's go ahead and get this video started. Of course, you know we got to do a cold start. So let's get this thing fired up. I wouldn't say, it's not that extremely loud on cold start, but as you can hear, there's a nice little bass tone to it. Once the car gets warmed up, the tone definitely tones down just a little bit. And I can say just from experience, right around the maybe like 50 miles an hour, 22 to 2500 RPM range, there's definitely a noticeable drone. But I knew that going into this, that the track exhaust was going to be the loudest and it's going to have the most drone. But like I always mention, you can always switch out the rear muffler to the touring edition and not have to worry about the track and actually have the mufflers in the back. But we're going to rock the track because I absolutely love the way the car sounds. Absolutely, I love the loudness. It's funny because a lot of people like it, a lot of people don't, but I am actually a huge fan of it. As you can hear right now, the car just got a lot quieter, so there it goes. Alright, so let's get on to the rest of the video. Alright, here we go. First time I've ever let anybody drive my car. I can't wait to hear what it sounds like from somebody else. Be easy to her, Zach. He's even in our mode. Yep, she's loud. She is definitely loud. Yeah. Definitely sounds pretty good. I can't wait to see if he's gonna get in it whenever he drives by. Hey, if you guys made it this far in the video, I do appreciate it. You guys go and stop to make sure you subscribe to Stay Spooled on YouTube. He's only building a 1,000 horsepower Mustang, and then go to his Stay Spooled Instagram. I'll have a link down in the description, and wish him a happy birthday and tell him I sent y'all. First time doing some POV footage. So as you guys saw in the previous clips, we did a couple drive-bys. I didn't realize how loud this car was until I stood outside and let the birthday boy drive it. go 58 to 60 is when the drone starts to kick in. Let me see if I can get this. There's a lot of rocks on this road. Of course, the tires are all warmed in. I pray that this angle comes out good. All right, so let's. Okay, there's 60, 6th gear, just cruising. There's the drone I'm talking about. We're a little under 2,500 RPMs. That's about as loud as the drone gets. And of course, you know, we go a little over 60. So in between the 60 miles an hour and 70 mile an hour range is when you're gonna find the drone being the loudest. I don't think I've ever been this far down this road. I'm gonna make a U-turn when I can. But to be honest with you, my overall opinion about this exhaust is I 100% recommend getting it if you, one, can accept the risk of it being extremely loud, and two, if you accept the drone. I don't have anybody that sits in the back seat at all, so it's just I only have a, you know, the pilot, me, and a co-pilot, so I don't ever have to worry about anybody sitting in the back, because I can imagine that they would have a lot to say if they were to sit in the back. Oh wow, this is some kind of Indian Choctaw something or another. I've never been this far back. Alright, so here we go. Go back and switch to the Touring Edition exhaust, which I'll probably end up doing. I'd like to have both options available, so let's do third gear. Let's hear that intake. Of course, it's hard to hear that intake over that freaking loud exhaust. Match downshift. Okay, let's see. Let's get through this bend real quick. A lot of drone right there. Hold the window up. Okay, so hopefully this footage, this POV footage is not butchered and it turned out great. So let's go back to the my actual filming camera. All right, so hopefully that footage wasn't butchered. Obviously I haven't seen it yet, but that is gonna do it for today's video. That's all the time that we have. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that exhaust video and the POV videos. If you guys have any other questions about the AWE exhaust, please feel free to leave a comment down below and I'll get back to you, or shoot me a DM. I try my best to get to all the DMs and read all the comments. So do me a favor, leave this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. A lot of you guys are not subscribed to the channel, but you're watching my content, so do me a favor. My next goal is to hit 20K. Please hit that subscribe button, leave a comment down below, and tell me if you'd like to have some more POV filmed type videos, and I'll catch y'all in the next video. Thank y'all so much for watching, and peace out.